and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, me, baby, me. Deep, 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 deep.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we learn to bake quick and easy desserts. So come along as I show you this quick and easy Rocky Road Brownie recipe that I know you will love. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I will have all of the ingredients listed in the description down below or at the end of the video. First, you want to melt your butter. Next, we'll be adding our sugar. We're going to combine both butter and sugar and mix very well. Now we're going to add our cocoa powder, and I'm using a sifter just to get everything nice and smooth. Now we're going to mix the ingredients together just so it could be well incorporated. Next, we'll be adding 2 large eggs. Next goes in our vanilla extract. Add our flour. Add our baking powder. And a dash of salt just for taste. Now we're just going to mix everything just to make sure everything is well incorporated and combined. And remember not to overmix your batter because it'll just make your brownies like hard, and we want it to be nice and soft. Next, we're going to be adding our chocolate chips because why not? Next, our almonds. And we're going to stir, stir, stir until we get everything mixed in. And y'all, this was already smelling good. So if you like content like this, please hit that like button for me and also subscribe and tell a friend and tell a friend. We are trying to get monetized this year, so that is my goal. So now we're going to add our brownie mix to our pan, which I had added some parchment paper. And y'all don't judge me because I am not good at putting parchment paper down in these little dishes. So we're just going to flat down our mix just to make sure everything is nice and even. Y'all see those chocolate chips? I know this is going to be good. Now we're going to place our brownies in the oven on 350 for about 35 minutes. In the meantime, in between time, let's get that topping started. Now we're going to warm up some heavy whipping cream for about a minute. Now that our heavy whipping cream is nice and warm, we're going to go ahead and add about a half a cup of our chocolate chips, which I'm using semi-chocolate, and I'm also using some milk chocolate, but you can use what you want. Now we're going to just mix our chocolate together until everything is nice and well incorporated. And now at this point, this is our chocolate ganache, and it is smelling so good. We're going to now add our almonds to get that topping, that crunch. And we're going to just mix everything just so it can be nice and coated with the chocolate. We are now adding about a cup of small marshmallows or mini marshmallows. And we're going to also make sure we cover it with the chocolate, making sure all of them are covered because if they're not, they will be stale. So now we're going to add our topping. And y'all, this is everything I've been waiting for. I remember having this as kids at the mall, but they stopped selling them. I don't know why, but I'm glad I learned the recipe because I'm going to be making these more often. Now we're going to top it off with some more shaved almonds just for, you know, a little extra crunch. Now that everything is nicely coated and covered, we're going to sit these in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Overnight is best, but I can't wait that long. So y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. These came out so good. They were so gooey and crunchy. It was just really good. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. I hope y'all try it out. If so, you guys please tag me or let me know how it is. I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Until the next video, you guys, peace.